Aloha! Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Anita from Anita Inspires. This video is going to be dedicated to the Hawaiian Airlines flight JFK to Honolulu Airport. Welcome back. So this video is going to be dedicated to the New York JFK Airport all the way to here, Honolulu, Oahu in Hawaii. I'm going to share some of my experiences with the Hawaiian Airlines that I want to share with you, especially if you're going to be traveling here with your family. So let's take it step by step. When you come, yes, if you have been vaccinated, you're able to upload it to the Safe Travels. If you haven't been yet, then you upload your COVID test from one of the providers that they did. So we did that for our daughters as we are all vaccinated, except for my daughter who's under the age. And you have to bring the cards with you. You have to bring the physical copy of your test because they will ask for it. They will not take a phone picture of it or anything on your phone, and you have to show it, as well as when you go in, the QR code, they're going to tell you to bring it up on your phone. So make sure that you have the password, that you haven't forgotten it, reset it if you have to reset it, or have it open when you go into the airport, when you check in as well. The flight itself, the food, didn't like too much. But what I did for my family, and I suggest you do, because it is a 10-hour and 14-minute flight, make yourself a little bag. A little bag. I named or put everybody's name on it. This is my husband's, Rod, and I had it all filled up. It has crackers, it has wipes, it has gummies, it has Jolly Ranchers because it helps you with your popping, in the airplane since you're on the plane for so long. That's one of the tidbits that I shared. I'm also sharing pictures of some of the food and some of the snacks that we were provided. The first part is they go around and they ask if you want to purchase any snacks, any beverages. That's the first round. And you're going to see that my daughter got a little snack pack for her. And then the actual food comes right after that. And I showed a picture of it. It's a like vegetarian and meatless meal. It had rice, it had melted cheese on it, mushrooms, olives. For me, I really didn't like it. It kind of was a little spicy. My husband did. My husband liked it. He ate it. He was okay. My kids did not. So if you have kids who are picky eaters, I suggest you bring something with you on the flight because you're allowed to bring food with you. You can purchase it at the airport, but I'm just going to let you know, JFK, the line was very, very long. It took forever, and I wasn't able to purchase anything because by that time, the flight was being called. That you do is download any movies that you want because there's no Wi-Fi on the flight. None whatsoever. You're not gonna get it. It's not there. They tell you to turn on the airplane mode, and that's it. For the 10 hours you're there, no Wi-Fi whatsoever. They do have, and I put a picture of it, of movies that you can see that they have there, and TV shows that you're able to see, kids programming that you're able to see. So my daughter was able to watch Moana. She was able to watch Frozen. She was able to watch Raya and the Last Dragon. I mean, there's so many things for kids. The music was Hawaiian. So if you would like to see some of the dances and things like that, you can. They have a radio station on it, on the TV, because the console has all of the things for you. It's touch screen, so you're able to see everything. Like the next part of it was the last one was they came around with snacks. So we were able to get like little snacks that they gave us. And then the last one was like little crackers that they gave us. And I'm gonna put a picture below because they gave us a little bag and I saved it because it was just the cutest thing ever, with like little snacks and things inside. Cookies from Hawaii, so you could taste it. And overall, that was like the whole gist of the whole flight. I was not able to sleep. My kids were able to sleep. We were in the cabin, so if you ever know, just regular seats in the back, that's what it was. If you had first class or I guess like business class, you actually probably were able to sleep because the seats fold down and they come flat. Unfortunately, the flight itself was we saved a ton because we bought it prior to pre-pandemic, so we were able to save it all the way up until we were able to reschedule our flight. So we only had to pay the difference. So we actually saved money doing it that way. Also, because of the pandemic, Hawaiian Airlines was going to let you do no booking fees to rebook your flights because of the pandemic, so that's good. The only thing is that you had to then pay the difference if the flight was a little bit more for it. And we did. We had to pay a little bit extra, which it was okay compared to what the flights were 2 years before. We still saved money. That was one of the tips. Let me know from your comments of your experiences with Hawaiian Airlines. I wanted to have this video for families and for people who are traveling here because I couldn't find anything. The videos were too old and it had to be to how it was now after the pandemic. And I hope I was able to showcase that for you. If you like this video, please subscribe. Click the bell so you can get notified. And I hope to see you in my next video. Mahalo. Bye.